What's up? You're live. You're hot on the Power Trades University live stream or the Brown Report live stream. I don't know who we have the pleasure to speak with.
My name is Denitra. How are you?
Oh, Denitra, I'm great. I'm glad we stayed and took another call. There's another female. I love to see the ladies representing.
Thank you. Yes, I had a little meeting with my child's teacher. I was like, I hope he's still around when I get off, so I appreciate it.
Yeah, well, I'm here. So what's up? What's your question?
I guess I kind of wanted to wind back to where I left off, and another person who was watching kind of asked the same as far as beginners, because I'm still in the beginner stage, and I know you said there shouldn't be an excuse as far as like learning how to do this, but I guess for me personally, my issue is, and what I want to know is how to get through the overwhelming volume of information as far as where to start, because I have a lot of books, I see a lot of courses, and it's like, where do I like just settle myself and begin? Because now it's as if I'm in a stage of analysis paralysis, because I get all this information, I watch all these videos, but then when it comes time for me to actually do it, I kind of hesitate because I have all this information overload. So I don't know how to, I guess, navigate through that so I can just zone in and just start handling business and doing this.
No, I totally get what you're saying. You can turn it up, Antonio, if you need to, man. Antonio's over there with his ear to his laptop. So here's the thing. So great question. You are the reason why we are actually, gosh, should I announce it? I guess I should. All right. You're the reason why we're testing something new right now. We are actually working on a brand new free version of Power Trades University, where we take all our teachings, all our trainings, and put them under one roof so you can go through kind of a structured learning. It's invite only
Yeah.
right now, so make sure you're on our email list, or shoot me a message after this. Maybe we can get you a special invite to get in there early.
Okay.
But you're one of the reasons why we're doing this, because we do understand that it's like, oh, we got videos on YouTube. Oh, we got stuff on our website. Oh, we got podcasts. Oh, we got stock market starter pack. We got the stock option starter pack. That's on our website to download. So they're all over the place, and you got all these different places to learn, even from us. And then you're like, okay, what do I do? Do I download the stock market starter pack first? Do I go to his YouTube channel? Do I listen to his podcast? Do
Right.
I go through his webinar? So we're actually putting together a new free version with like a structured learning path that's coming. So that's just kind of a sidebar. So what do you do to get through the overwhelming information? My opinion, after you kind of do the shotgun approach, where you're looking at everybody's video, this person's telling you Bitcoin, this person's telling you day trade, this person's telling you options, index funds, 401k, everything. It's like, then it's time to sit down and say, number one, what teacher do I resonate with? But then more important than the teacher, what style do I resonate with? Right? Because if there's almost like day trading, and you're like, I work a job, I got a kid, I don't have time to be in front of the computer. You might like that person, but like that style doesn't fit what you're trying to do. So find a person that you resonate with their personality, their teaching style, and then number two, you resonate with that style of investing, and then you cut out all the other noise. I think you go all in on that platform, that person, and really start to learn, because there is so many different things that you could be doing. And what happens is you start following so many people that you end up doing nothing, right? You get analysis
That's where I
paralysis.
am. Exactly.
Yep. Um,
Okay. I
one other
appreciate
thing,
that. Yeah.
I would tell you to do, um, like to give you something actionable, not just philosophical, right? One thing I would tell you to do to get started is I would use our link, and I would open a WEBULL account using our link. I think it's what, the brownreport.com/. Oh, Tony will put it in there. He's going to pop it up in the comment section. Go check out our free tools. I would open a WeBull account and I would open a Robinhood account. Here's why. Some people don't like Robinhood. Some people don't like WeBull. Forget all of that. It's not about liking them or not liking them. Number one, you will have taken the first step, which is opening a trading account. You need an account to trade. So open an account. Number two, it doesn't cost you any money to open an account. So there's no risk to opening an account. Okay. But once you have an account, by the way, if you use our link, and I think if you deposit $100, now it doesn't cost you $100, but if you deposit $100, you'll also get your first free stock. So, number one, you need an account. You have to open an account, so you get one. There's no risk to open an account; it doesn't cost you anything. But if you deposit $100, you'll also get your first free stock. That allows you to get into the game for free. You got a stock. Now you got something you can check stock quotes on. You can read news. So you're one step closer to becoming a trader versus sitting back and doing nothing. So that would be the first baby step that I would take. I would open a Webull account and a Robinhood account. Reason I would open both, they both give you a free stock. I would deposit $100, get the free stock from one, deposit $100, get the free stock from the other one. You got two free stocks. You can send your $100 back out to your account at that point, or just leave it there for your first investment. But at least you're well on your way. You got an account, free stock. You can check quotes, start reading charts, and now you're in the game, and it didn't really cost you anything. Obviously, to get
Okay.
proficient at the game, you're going to probably want to take somebody's course or join somebody's program. And you said something very important I want everybody to understand is that's why I don't recommend books. Now, some people are like, what do you mean you don't recommend books? Now, don't mistake that for I'm against reading, okay? I literally got books on my shelf, all right? I'm not against reading. I'm saying I'm against a brand new person learning the stock market from a book because it's typically
Okay.
confusing. When I read my first stock market book, guess what happened? I needed another book to understand what they said in that book. They were like, you need to understand that all this fancy language. Then I had to get another book. Was like, well, what does that mean? And then I read that, and I had to get another book. Was like, well, what does that mean? And I was three books deep trying to understand what the first book was even talking about. And so I prefer courses, video teachings, PDF downloads, stuff where we're showing you actionably. Here's what this means. Here's what this looks like in the stock market. Here's what a candlestick is. Here's what a chart is. So that's why I like courses and video teachings versus books. That's the reason I don't have a book. People say you should write a book. You should write a book. I'm not against books, but I found the best way to communicate and help people is like this through video and through showing my
Okay.
screen and showing what they're looking at. And that's what we have inside our university. We have a whole new video training platform that you'll be able to kind of check out for free, actually, to kind of get started.
Okay. I will do that. I appreciate you taking my call again, and I'll let you get to your lunch this afternoon. So, thank you so much for the advice and for the giving me a place to start.
Absolutely. So thanks for calling in. And then once you open your account, send us a message. Let me know.
I will. I will do that. I appreciate it.
All right. Have a good day.